Okay, good morning. We are here. It is Labor Day. What'd you say, August what? 4th. September 4th on Labor Day. We are at Resthaven Wildlife Area. Very cool area. We've been here before. I caught a couple bass. We're gonna try it again. Let me help the beautiful Kim. And we're gonna try this again. Wave hi, Kimmy. There you go. She is. All right. So I also got a new toy. It's a drone. We're gonna try and throw that in the air real quick and get an aerial footage of this place, and then we're gonna get in the water and catch some fish, hopefully. To be continued. Boom! Fish on. Fish on. First largemouth today. Fish on. Yes, that one. Nice. All right, pretty girl. All right, pretty girl. All right, guys, we are gonna call it a day. It is 11 o'clock. We fished for about 4 hours. Beautiful day. It's just getting too hot. It's probably already 90 degrees at 11. We're done. I caught 2 largemouth. I missed another one. Kimmy caught a couple small little bluegill. And that's it. All in all, a good day, a good morning, a good sunrise, and that's it. Resthaven Wildlife Area. All right. Thanks for watching.